In this video, I will show you how to disable cache in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, what I want you to do is log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in, I want you to find the domain of which you want to disable the cache for. Now, once you find that domain and you enter into that domain, on the left sidebar, you're going to scroll down to caching, click on the arrow, and you're going to go to cache rules. Now, in cache rules, we're going to create rule. In create rule, there's a bit of documentation here that gives you an idea of what to do to bypass caches here, or to cache everything, or to replicate page rules for caching behavior. But what we want to do is we want to bypass cache for everything. You're going to come here and you're going to bypass cache for everything from the name here. And you're going to scroll down. If you want to bypass cache for a particular domain, here in the name, you're going to write bypass cache for, and you input the domain name here. And you also input the domain name in the value section here. But what we want to do is, we don't want a custom filter expression. We want to bypass all incoming requests. So we're going to write bypass cache for everything here. And we're going to click on all incoming requests. And here, we're going to bypass cache here. So here, cache for cache eligibility, we're going to click on bypass cache. And once we set that, we're going to scroll down and we're going to click on deploy. Now, I want you to know that this is a rule. And for every rule, it can be disabled. So once you toggle this on or off, it's going to be enabled or disabled. Now it's disabled. And I can also click here and delete it. Now that's how you disable cache in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya!